Hello, dear friends. Welcome back. We are very happy you are here today.
Yes, welcome. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching.
Today, we talk about something fun. We talk about hobbies.
Yes, hobbies, things you like to do in your free time.
Many people want to talk about hobbies in English, but they feel shy.
They think, my English is small. I cannot speak.
But you can speak. You can do this.
Yes, you can do this. We will help you.
We will use very simple English today.
Short sentences, easy words.
We will repeat many times.
We will speak slowly.
So please relax. Take a breath.
You are safe here. You are learning with friends.
Let me ask you something.
Yes,
When someone asks you, what do you like to do, what do you say?
many learners feel stuck.
They stop. They think. They feel nervous.
Their mind feels empty.
This is very common.
You are not alone.
Today, we fix this problem.
Today, you learn easy words to talk about hobbies.
First, what is a hobby?
A hobby is something you like to do.
You do it in your free time,
Not work, not school,
just for fun.
just for you.
For example, reading,
Or cooking,
or playing games.
or listening to music.
Now, listen to this simple sentence.
I like reading.
Very simple.
I like reading.
Let us say it together.
Repeat after me. I like reading.
Good. Again.
I like reading.
Nice. You sound good. You can change one word.
You can say, I like cooking,
Or, I like music.
or I like games.
The pattern is easy.
I like plus the hobby.
Let us practice more.
Repeat after me. I like cooking.
Again.
I like cooking.
Very good. Some people say, I like to cook.
This is also okay.
I like cooking.
I like to cook.
Both are good.
For today, we use I like a lot.
Now, another easy sentence.
My hobby is reading.
Listen.
My hobby is reading.
Repeat after me. My hobby is reading. Good. Again, slowly. My hobby is reading. Great job. You can change the hobby word.
You can say, my hobby is cooking,
Or, my hobby is music.
or my hobby is drawing,
Drawing is making pictures.
with a pen or pencil.
Now, let us talk about common hobbies.
Very common hobbies.
Easy hobbies.
Hobbies many people have.
Reading books.
Watching TV,
Listening to music.
cooking food,
Playing games.
walking outside,
Taking photos.
talking with friends.
Listen to this.
I like watching TV.
Repeat after me. I like watching TV. Good.
Again, I like watching TV.
How about music?
I like listening to music.
Repeat. I like listening to music. Nice. You are doing great. Now, let us use a question.
A very common question.
What are your hobbies? Listen first. What are your hobbies? Repeat after me. What are your hobbies? Again. What are your hobbies? When someone asks you this, you can answer.
You can say, my hobby is reading.
Or, I like cooking.
Both are good.
Let us practice a small talk.
Paul asks,
Emily answers. What are your hobbies?
my hobby is reading.
Very nice.
Thank you.
Now change it.
I ask,
I answer.
what are your hobbies?
I like cooking.
Good answer.
See? This is easy.
Short and clear.
Now, sometimes we have more than one hobby.
Yes, many people do.
You can say, I like reading and cooking.
Listen.
I like reading and cooking.
Repeat after me.
I like reading and cooking. Good. You can also say, I like music and games.
Repeat.
I like music and games. Now, let us talk about free time.
Free time is time after work or school.
You can say, in my free time, I like reading.
Listen.
In my free time, I like reading. Repeat after me. In my free time, I like reading. Good job. Again, slowly. In my free time, I like reading. Nice and clear. You can change it.
In my free time, I like music.
Repeat. In my free time, I like music. Now, let us use daily life examples.
Real life.
Simple life. Imagine you meet a new friend,
Maybe at work.
maybe at school.
Maybe online.
The friend asks, "What do you like to do?"
You smile.
You answer, "I like reading."
Very simple.
The friend says, "Oh, nice."
Then asks, what kind of books?
You can say, "I like storybooks."
Or, I like simple books.
Do not worry about perfect English.
Simple English is good English.
Clear English is good English. Now, let us do a longer talk.
A real conversation.
Listen first. Hi, Paul.
Hi, Emily. How are you?
I am good, thank you.
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like cooking.
Oh, nice. What do you cook?
I cook simple food.
That sounds good.
What about you? What are your hobbies?
I like reading and listening to music.
Nice hobbies. That is a full talk.
Very simple.
Very natural. Now, let us practice together.
Please repeat after us.
What do you like to do in your free time?
What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like cooking.
In my free time, I like cooking.
What are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies?
I like reading and music.
I like reading and music.
Good.
You are doing very well.
Now, let us look at some common mistakes.
Small mistakes.
Easy to fix. Mistake 1.
Saying, I like to reading.
Not this.
But this.
I like reading.
Or, I like to read.
Choose one.
Do not mix.
Mistake 2.
Saying nothing.
Silence.
Feeling scared.
Not this.
But this.
Say one simple sentence.
Say, I like music.
That is enough. Mistake 3.
Using very big words.
Not this.
But this.
Simple words.
Easy words.
Remember, simple is strong.
Simple is clear.
Now, let us repeat important sentences again.
Repetition helps memory.
I like reading.
I like reading.
My hobby is cooking.
My hobby is cooking.
I like listening to music.
I like listening to music.
In my free time, I like games.
In my free time, I like games.
What are your hobbies?
What are your hobbies?
Very good.
Say them again later today.
You can practice at home.
Look in the mirror.
Say, I like,
Say it again.
and again. Confidence comes with practice.
Small steps.
Every day. Now, let us add feeling words.
Feeling words are easy.
Like really.
Or a lot.
You can say, I really like music.
Repeat. I really like music.
Good. Or, I like reading a lot.
Repeat. I like reading a lot.
These words show feeling.
They show love for your hobby.
Now, one more short talk.
Listen and feel it.
Hi, what are your hobbies?
I really like music.
Oh, nice.
I listen to music every day.
That's great. Simple.
Very human.
Let us practice again.
Repeat after us.
I really like music.
I really like music.
I like reading a lot.
I like reading a lot.
Nice work.
You sound confident.
Before we end, let us do a full recap.
We repeat the key ideas.
A hobby is something you like to do.
You do it in your free time.
You can say, I like reading.
Or, my hobby is cooking.
You can ask, what are your hobbies?
You can answer with one simple line.
Do not be afraid.
You can do this.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
We are proud of you.
Yes, very proud.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Thank you for your time.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
See you next time.
Bye for now.